guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going on a hike and I'm really excited. After a very long time we are doing something fun. So I have to pack a few snacks before that. So I'm planning to make sandwiches and yeah, let's go.
Please select the amount you want to reload and press confirm. Please insert the amount you want to reload. Enter reloading completed. Please.
We've reached and we are going to start climbing now. It's going to take us approximately 2 hours to reach up, so let's go.
So as you can see, people are camping here and you need to apply for a permit before if you want to spend the night or stay camp for a long time.
There is a beautiful temple here, Samseongsan, but it's closed because of coronavirus.
As you can see here, people have put canes. So these are trail markers and they're used as a symbol of good luck throughout the world.
Now since we started climbing, but then we stopped quite a lot to take pictures and everything, so we still don't know how much more we have to climb. And
maybe we are halfway through.
Yeah, maybe we are halfway through. I don't know how many calories we've burned till now. high. Around this there are 2-3 other mountains. One is the Samseongsan Mountain, that's around 600 meters high, and it has a beautiful temple on it. And now we are just going to relax here for some time, take a few pictures, and then head back home. So we have just come down now, we finished the trek, and now we are going to head back home. We are going to catch a subway and then order some food and relax. It was an exhausting but a really nice day. And if you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I'm going to end the vlog here. Bye bye.